Hi and welcome to the short tutorials. In this video I will show you how to fix Discord application not opening. So whenever you try to open the Discord mobile application, it's crashing or not opening. So in this video I will give you a few tips and maybe these trick work for you and your Discord will start opening. So how you can fix it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So if your Discord application is getting crash or not opening, first of all you have to check is if your application is up to date or not. So simply open your Play Store and you have to search for the Discord application here. So as you will see, my Discord application is not updated. So simply you can also update it from here and try to open your Discord application after update Discord. So maybe it will work for you. Other way is that you can simply go back and open your phone settings, and here you have to search for the apps and the notification, and right here you have to search for the Discord application. So I have recently opened it, so it's here. Tap on it. Okay, here you will see multiple options. Now you have to click on the storage and the cache, and you can simply clear your cache from here and try to open the Discord application again. Maybe this trick will work for you and you can enjoy your Discord application again. So these are the two tips. So thank you. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.